This is a 52-inch Breeze Calera ceiling fan, and what do you know? It's the first ceiling fan with pretzel brackets to ever be on my YouTube channel. And what's the ceiling fan doing over here in the master bedroom? What's designed for outdoor? Well, it could be for either. I mean, we could have insulate here, but we have these instead, and these are indoor only. Yeah, Hampton Bay Kensaws. Well, actually, not Hampton Bay because um they're just unbranded. But some people technically refer to these as Hampton Bay, but these are very, very cheap ceiling fans. They seem to be running just fine though. Their blades haven't sagged that much. I mean, if they were installed this year, then I would understand. They actually do. This year, they actually have the Kennesaw and brush nickel. Okay. Anyway, let's get to this ceiling fan now. Anyway, I don't know. I already have the wall control set up here. Anyway, can turn this onto low. Oh gosh, wobble so crazy. You know what? I might have to. I'm gonna have to. It seems to have a pretty bad capacitor as well. It does. I'm gonna have to. Yeah, it does. Wasn't doing last night. I tested this on low and medium speed, and it seemed just fine. And today I turned on medium, and it's making a buzzing sound. Anyway, okay. If I change the speeds on this again, I'm gonna hold the ceiling fan, with my other hand and try to. I'm gonna try doing some. Well, I mean, it's probably not gonna be easy because I have to have one of my hands on my phone because I need to hold it so I can show the ceiling fan. Anyway, it's pretty loud. The light kit, light porting. I should also kind of. Okay, I should put my knees on here. That works better. And sorry, my mom and my sister are talking out there. And anyway, well, let's actually you should unroll the curtains over here and let's give some more light in this room. Okay, it's better. Now let's see the other one. Okay, hopefully this doesn't become the thumbnail, because how can anyone see the title called Breeze Calera Ceiling Fan and then be looking at this instead? And they think I just be a lie, because you ever know this guy named Ceiling Fan Bradley, who he spams these stupid comments on Appeal's videos. He just says ceiling fan, or Bradley, or end of the video, or something like that. And basically he made a video. He titled it Hunter Discovery Ceiling Fan, but there was no ceiling fan at all. He basically just showed some random stuff in like a bathroom or something. Yeah. Well, honestly, hopefully he doesn't do that on my channel. Anyway, but saying if me opening up the curtain set that becomes a thumbnail, people would think I was just like him. Anyway, let's turn the ceiling fan to medium speed. Just do it quickly. And this thing buzzes like crazy. This really does have a back capacitor. Now I wonder what this. I don't know what this ceiling fan is like on high speed. Yeah, yeah. So on low speed, this thing's completely silent, and then medium speed and high speed, it's not. I don't even know what the ceiling fan's like on high speed. I'm kind of afraid to find out. But here's the Breeze logo on there. I can't believe just today I realized I had a back capacitor I mean, last night I did realize when I turned on low, it seemed to be going pretty slow. But but I was like, well, maybe that's just how low speed is on the ceiling fan, because some ceiling fans aren't really that fast on low speed. Like the Hunter Passport 3 in the office of my grandparents' house. Oh, and anyway, this is in a rental house in Kentucky. But I don't live in Kentucky. I live in Michigan, but we're staying here for the weekend and coming back for Christmas. Yeah, we're coming back to Michigan for Christmas, and it's gonna be pretty good. I'm very excited for it. Because everyone loves Christmas. I don't know anyone who doesn't. Anyway, let's turn this up to high speed. Ceiling fan's so loud. Well, seems the only perfect ceiling fan in this house is the Hampton Hawkins installed in the living room. And I actually I'll make a video of that after this. It's the only one that hasn't been, well, I mean, these ones out here are perfect, just as long as they don't make buzzing sounds. If they're quiet, then that's pretty good. So we've got some pretty good ceiling fans in this house. This house is, this particular rental house we're staying in, the layout is pretty weird. But here this is on high speed. It's got a back capacitor. It's so slow and so loud. Anyway, let's have this on now. And I'll know that maybe this isn't even high speed, and I just failed to turn this on high speed because the protein is so hard to use. It wobbles like crazy because it's an outdoor ceiling fan. It's not. Seems like outdoor ceiling fans always have that. When you try to pull chains in it, it should be flush mounted, but it's not. All right, sorry, they're arguing out there. Let's you know what? I'll turn this back to low now. Well, thanks for watching this video, and bye.